Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are signed into Riot and the client is fully updated. That prevents version mismatch when others join. Once ready, become the party leader on PC. Only the leader can create the match. Open the Play tab, select Custom Game, then hit Create Private Lobby immediately. You're not configuring everything yet. This step simply establishes the only allowed custom lobby, so you can assign map and privacy settings next. Now configure the detailed match settings. Pick the exact map, set the mode, rounds, and any agent bans or rules you prefer so gameplay matches your goal. Once done, make sure the lobby privacy is private if you want control, or open if anyone with the code can join. Copy the match code for sharing. Invite friends through the in-game party invite or paste the code in chat. You'll see them join the slots, rearrange teams, and lock roles before starting. Finish by double-checking teams, agent selections, and match economy settings. Once satisfied, press Start Match and you'll load into the custom game. If someone cannot join, first confirm everyone's client is the same build and set to the same region. Firewall or security software can block lobby joins, so make sure ports aren't blocked. If problems persist, have them relaunch the client or you relog as leader and recreate the private lobby. Then reshare the code. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.